Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing a carbon fiber shift knob on the LC500. Let's check it out. Here's the carbon fiber shift knob that I'm going to be installing on the LC500. This is very nice, very high quality. Super happy with it. I'm going to link below how you can get one, but let's go ahead and get it installed. So the LC500 shift knob here is very easy to take out. You just got to give it a good turn and then it will unscrew. So we're going to get it loose. All right, now that it's loose, it'll unscrew. That's simple. Take our new shift knob. Thread it on there. And voila. That's it. And there we have it. The new shift knob is installed and it looks awesome. And there we have it. There's the install on the carbon fiber shift knob. This is an Elvin carbon fiber shift knob. Elvin. I'm going to link his Instagram below. He does all of his orders through his Instagram, but yeah, I had it in a week. I thought the price was pretty fair and the quality is awesome. So check him out if you're looking for a carbon fiber for your LC500. And thanks for watching.